Hi, this is Louis. Today we're going to do SAT math problems. So I'm going to show you the question on the screen. It's gonna be one question, and then you're gonna try to answer it, and then your goal is to finish it in 1.5 minutes, and then we're gonna discuss how to do this problem. All right. So grab a piece of paper and get ready. All right. Are you ready? All right. So this is the question. Hit pause and then try to answer it. All right, I'm gonna guess that you finished this question already. So let's see what's going on here. All right, so I see a graph here, and there are two lines. Okay, so the question asks, what system of linear equations is represented by the lines shown? Okay, so supposedly we are supposed to find the 2 points on the line, and then write a equation out of these 2 points to make a line equation, and then do it twice to find two lines, right? So we can answer the question. So supposedly, for example, we're gonna find the points here and here, and then write the equation down, and then form it into the line equation, and then choose the answer. So that's what we are supposed to do. But there, in the SAT math questions, usually there's a chance that we can actually eliminate some answers after we are done reading the question. So let's see if we can actually do that. Alright, so I see this graph. The two lines, they actually have a common point here. So this point is actually, the coordinate is 8, 0. So that means that if I plug in this coordinate 8, 0 into the equation should fit in both lines. So let's see if that actually happened in the multiple choice questions here. So if I plug in x equal to 8, y equals to 0, the left hand side of the equation equal sign is actually 64, and the right hand side is 32. So it's actually not right. So A is eliminated. So it's B, 8, 0. Plug it in, and you're gonna see 64 equals to 32. That's not correct. So we eliminate two answers now. We have two answers to choose right now. Okay, so what's the difference between these two? Let's compare the first equation here. This is this one and this one. So there's only one difference here. It's the plus minus sign here. So how to decide which one? So if I rearrange the equation here, it's gonna be I'm gonna put this 10y to the other side. So it's gonna be 10y equals to something something, and it's a positive something x, blah blah blah. So that means that the slope is positive. If the slope of a line equation is positive, that means that the line is actually lying along this direction. It's gonna be on the direction that is actually the y value should be higher on the right hand side of the graph. But it's actually not what it is for the two line equations here. So C is eliminated. Alright, so the only choice that we can have is D. So D is the right answer. I don't know if you think this will be faster, but this is at least another way to think about it. So we have two ways to do it now. One is to use the traditional way, right? Find 2 points and then find the line equations and then choose the answer. The other is eliminate some answers that might not be correct, and then the rest of it should be the correct answer. Alright, so that's how to answer this question. Alright, so if you have question on SAT math and you would like to discuss with me, feel free to contact me. Alright, thank you.